Hello, welcome. I'm from ConnectUs, and today I'm going to show you how to use the RMS portal to upgrade a device. If you notice in the left, I have devices, and the green circle here indicates that I have one device online. I can click on that device to get more details. If I want, I can come here to device details and find out if there is a new firmware. Right now, that is my current firmware, and it says there is in fact a new firmware, which is 720.1 at time of this recording. In order to update, I just can click here and I can confirm. It will upload the firmware, then apply the firmware. Please note that this will cause the device to reboot and any subsequent devices to not have internet connection or any kind of out-of-band connection, depending on what you use your device for. The process takes approximately 6 to 7 minutes, and the RMS portal will eventually tell you when it's back online and that the new update has been successful or has failed. So as we see now, it's validating the download of the firmware. Once it validates that it is the proper firmware and no alterations have been done, then it will upload to the device and then the device will reboot. At that time, please do not power off the device or try to reboot the device, as it may brick the device or cause it to fail back to an older firmware. So we've successfully updated. So now we are currently offline. Once we come back online, we should see a 0.07.21 firmware, and the new indicator will be missing. All right, we are back and our device is back online. We see now that we have three possible firmwares, two for a RUT device and one for a switch. We go to device details. We will now see that there is no new, and the firmware is 0720.1. As always, thank you for watching this video and have a great day.